Many of us have humidifiers at home to prevent dryness in the air, and many of them come with nice functions for automatically reaching the desired level of humidity. What we have here is much simpler. It's an aromatherapy humidifier and it's called Xiaomi Mijia HL. It comes in a simple box, and even though it only comes with a Chinese user manual, it's easy to get it working. Don't really need the manual at all. For power, we get a standard USB to Type-C cable, but there's no power brick included, so we have to find some other source for power. And here's the machine itself with a warning on top to not tilt it while it's filled with water. Under here is where the mist will come out, and the gap near the edge is actually a light source, but more about that a bit later. It's a nice but simple design, with only one button on the front, and around the back we have the USB Type-C power connector. This is a 5V device, so we can power it by a phone charger, a power bank, or any other 5V USB. It has a capacity of 120 milliliters of water, which should be enough for it to run between 6 and 10 hours. To fill it up, just remove the cover and the lid inside. It doesn't take a lot of water, so a small glass is enough. And don't fill higher than the thing you see in the middle here, as it should not be underwater. If you want any aroma, just put a few drops of your choice directly into the water. Now you can put a lid and cover back on and find a power source. While testing, I used a power bank, but you can of course use something else, like a power brick, laptop, or any other powered USB plug. It starts up instantly and the mist starts coming out the top. And now you can see the light I was talking about earlier. Although it's not very bright, they call it a night light. It looks nice though, and the color can be changed by pressing the button. In my opinion, the light adds a lot to the design, and I like that it's got different colors to choose from. Since this is so small, it's best for use in small spaces, like an office, or just to get some aroma around where you are. It's aimed for use at home, at the office, and for yoga. It's only about 10 centimeters wide and 12 centimeters high, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't have any automatic functions other than an anti-dry sensor, which will blink red for 10 seconds and shut it off when there's no water left. So all in all, a nice little aromatherapy humidifier. It's quite small, so it's easy to move it around. Just be aware that the lid isn't locked in place, so if you're putting it in a bag, the water must be removed first. And it doesn't spread the aroma very far, so it's best used in small places, or nearby where you're sitting. Overall, a nice little machine, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.